trees, they breathe so slow, telling tales only silence knows. Moonlight paints the forest floor like a dream I've walked before. And the wind, it speaks in quiet tones, carving truth into the bones of mountains, rivers, skies so wide, where time just sits and stars collide. Leaves fall soft like thoughts from grace, nature's voice in every place. Oceans hum an ancient keys, waves like verses flowing free. I lay down beneath the sky, watching clouds just drift and die, realizing I'm just dust, sacred, fleeting, born of trust. And the wind, it speaks in quiet tones, carving truth into the bones of mountains, rivers, skies so wide, where time just sits and stars collide. If I go, let me go slow, like rivers learning where to flow. In nature's arms I find my